In this section, we'll walk through how to use the media library in your website's CMS. To get started, go to your dashboard, select Media, then click Library. Once inside, you'll see all of your uploaded files and folders. You can easily expand or collapse folders, including subfolders, to help keep everything organized. There's also a built-in search bar, so you can quickly find the file you're looking for. You can adjust how media is displayed by switching between grid view and list view. You can also filter by file type, such as images, documents, or folders, and if needed, apply date filters to narrow results to a specific time period. This is especially useful when cleaning up older files. All images uploaded to the media library are automatically web optimized. This helps ensure faster page load times across your website. You also have the option to bulk select multiple files, which allows you to perform group actions like deleting several files at once. To add new content, you can simply drag and drop files from your computer into the media library, or you can create a new folder to organize your uploads. To create a folder, click Add New Folder, enter a name, and click Create. You can now drag and drop files directly into that folder, or move existing files by dragging them from the main library. To create a subfolder, first select the parent folder, then click the plus icon at the top, enter a name, click Create, and drop files in just like before. You can also replace an existing file, a great way to keep your site clean and up to date, especially if a file is already being used in multiple places on the site. To do this, click on the file you want to replace. In the panel on the right, click Upload New File. Choose the new file and then replace the old file, use the new file name, and update all associated links automatically. You can also choose to update the file's date to the current one. The system also includes a basic image editor. To use it, click on any image, select Edit Image, then crop, scale, or rotate as needed. When you're done, just click Save Edits, and that's it. You now know how to upload, organize, replace, and edit files using the media library. It's a powerful tool designed to keep your content clean, optimized, and easy to manage